Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel. Please leave me a comment down below that you subscribed and I'll give you a shout out at the end of the video. Please give me a thumbs up so this can be shared with others. I do have a great video for you today. This is going to be an interview with the CEO of Lucid Motors, Peter Rawlinson. It is the first day that Lucid Motors LCID has been trading in the NASDAQ, and it has a phenomenal day. But I just wanted to have you see this video with the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, and it was with CNBC News. Go ahead and check it out, and please give me that thumbs up that you like this video, and I'll talk to you at the next one.
Another big EV company, or one that wants to become a very big EV company, and that is Lucid. Stock shares will trade publicly for the first time today. The company listing on the NASDAQ under the ticker LCID. This follows Lucid's merger with Churchill Capital Corporation 4. It's a blank check company known as a SPAC, backed by veteran investment banker Michael Klein. And joining us right now, first on CNBC, is Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson. Peter, it's great to see you this morning. Congratulations on this transition to officially now being a public company. We've spoken to you now a bunch of times, but now it's real, and you have $4.4 billion to get to work with in terms of building out your production facilities and everything else. Before we get into the business itself, I just want to understand what happened really over the last 72 hours, if not the last week, because it was a very touch-and-go period, a moment we're trying to get so many of the retail investors to actually vote in favor of this transaction was, I think, a lot tougher than people anticipated.
Well, I think the key message here is that Lucid attracted such interest from the retail sector right around the world. There's a great following for our mission, and it was just a matter of getting the word out to that sector. And the great work was done. We're in partnership with Churchill Capital. We got a resounding percentage of positive vote. It was just a matter of getting that word out through the retail sector.
The reason I ask, though, is this going to be a different relationship? And do you think that as a CEO of this type of public company with so many retail investors, that you're going to have to communicate with them in a very different way? Because historically, if you had more institutions involved in these types of investments, you'd be able to get the vote very quickly. This was sort of a new feature of, or problem, perhaps, with this sort of Reddit/Robinhood community.
It is quite a phenomenon, isn't it? And I think that we do have a very illustrious roster of blue chip institutional investors, but we've attracted so much interest from the retail sector as well. And I think it's testament to the appeal of our product and our technology that we've enjoyed that position.
I had the opportunity to take a test drive in the Air just last week. It was pretty spectacular, I will say. The last time we talked, you said you had about 10,000 pre-orders for this vehicle. What do those numbers look like today?
We just announced this morning it's crossed the 11,000 mark and growing daily. And we're responding to that uptake in demand. We're accelerating our factory to accommodate increased volume. We've just started grading the site for a 2.7 million square foot expansion. And this is what the $4.4 billion that we've secured enables. It enables a growth of the company, strategic, judicious growth, to expand our manufacturing capability and to mitigate risk as a company.
Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put two links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.